Welcome to this exciting video about the health benefits of salmon. Salmon is not only a delicious fish, but it also provides numerous health benefits that can improve your overall well-being. Let's dive right into it. First, salmon is an excellent source of high-quality protein, containing all the essential amino acids that your body needs to build and repair tissues. This makes it a great food choice for athletes, bodybuilders, and anyone looking to build and maintain muscle mass. But that's not all. Salmon is also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to have numerous health benefits. These fatty acids help reduce inflammation in the body, lower the risk of heart disease, and even improve brain function. In fact, studies have shown that consuming omega-3 fatty acids can improve cognitive function, memory, and mood. So, if you want to be at your best mentally, adding salmon to your diet is a smart choice. And let's not forget about the other health benefits of salmon. It's rich in vitamin D, which is important for bone health, and also contains a range of other vitamins and minerals that can help boost your immune system and keep you feeling great. So, whether you're looking to improve your physical performance, mental function, or just want to feel healthier and happier, adding salmon to your diet is a simple and delicious way to achieve your goals. Thanks for watching this exciting video about the health benefits of salmon. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more informative and entertaining videos like this one. And as always, stay healthy and happy.